Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to today's biology IIT class. Today we are going to revise the remaining topics in the lesson Organization in Living Things. In this class, we are going to revise the remaining part Synopsis 4 and Synopsis 5 from the lesson Organization in Living Things. As you know, every organism is made up of cell. Cell is the basic unit or fundamental unit. Depending upon the number of cells, the organism are of two types, unicellular and multicellular. Uni means single cell. Okay, the functions and the activities done by only one cell. Multicellular means a group of cells will perform the activities. Okay, children. So each group is said to be a tissue. So in coming to the multicellular organism, a number of cells will perform the activities. So the group is said to be a tissue. A group is said to be a tissue. So the tissues in animals are of four types. How many types? Four types. Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Okay. So we are going to discuss briefly about epithelial tissue. So epithelial tissue is given by Dutch anatomist Reich. Okay. Dutch anatomist Reich. An epithelium is a tissue composed of one or more layers of cells. What is an epithelium? An epithelium is a tissue composed of one or more layers of cells covering the external and internal structures of various body parts. It also forms glands. See here, epi. Epi means above or upon. Thelial means grows. Okay. So the tissue grows upon other tissue. The tissue will grow upon another tissue. Okay. So next is location. The epithelial tissue occurs on external and internal exposed surfaces of the body parts where they form protective covering. So the epithelial tissue is the protective covering. Internal organs at the same time external also. So origin. Epithelial tissue evolved first and are also formed first in the embryo. From the embryo onwards, the epithelial tissue will be formed. The epithelial tissue arises from all three primary germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm of the embryo. These are the characteristics. This is very important. Okay. So, all of you read these 6 points. Okay, children. Now coming to the types of epithelia. Epithelia are of two types. Epithelial tissues are of two types. Okay. Simple epithelium and compound epithelium. Simple epithelium and compound epithelium. First of all, you draw a flow chart. Okay. Epithelial tissue. It is divided into two. Simple epithelium and a compound epithelium. Now again, simple epithelium. What is simple epithelium? It is made up of single layer of cells. The simple epithelium is of different types on the basis of the shape, structure and function. అంటే సింపుల్ ఎపిథీలియం మళ్ళీ ఇంకా కొన్ని డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్గా డివైడ్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకే. Again, simple epithelium is divided into 5 types. Okay. Simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, simple columnar epithelium, simple ciliated epithelium and a fifth one is pseudostratified epithelium. Okay, children. Now coming to the simple squamous epithelium. See, simple squamous epithelium is also known as pavement epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium is also called as pavement epithelium. See, location also there. For every step, there is a location and a function. Location and a function. So, read carefully each and every point. Okay. Now, second one is simple cuboidal epithelium. Simple cuboidal epithelium is consisting of cubical cells. Yeah, simple squamous epithelium consisting of single layer of flattened thin scale-like cells. Cuboidal cells are cubical cells and its location and its function. Now, third one is simple columnar epithelium. The cells of tall pillar-like cells. It consists of the cells are tall pillar-like cells. See here in the picture. Okay. Now, the function where it is located, it will be here in this paragraph. All of you read. Now, fourth one is simple ciliated epithelium. The cells bear numerous delicate hair-like outgrowths. The cilia. అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఆల్రెడీ ద cilia is nothing but hair-like projection. Cilia అనడంతో మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి hair. Okay, hair-like projections. So, the cilia arising from basal granules. The cilia arising from basal granules. Again, the ciliated epithelium is of two types. Okay, ciliated columnar epithelium, ciliated cuboidal epithelium. Once again, read these paragraphs. Okay, the function and a location. Now, coming to the fifth one. Fifth one is pseudo-stratified epithelium. The cells are columnar but unequal in size. Columnar, column laga ఉంటాయి కానీ equal గా ఉండవు. The cells extend up to free surface. The short cells do not reach the outer free surface. The long cells have oval nuclei. Short cells have rounded nuclei. So, it is having the nucleus which are columnar but not the size is not equal. Again, the pseudo-stratified epithelium is of two types. Okay, pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium, pseudo-stratified columnar ciliated epithelium. Okay, children, this is about the simple squamous epithelium. Now coming to the synopsis 5. Compound epithelium. Compound epithelium belongs to multi-layered epithelia. Multi-layered epithelia. So remember, simple epithelium consisting of single layer of cells. Okay. Compound epithelium consisting of multi-layered cells. Okay, children. So these are made up of more than one layer of cells. The compound epithelia may be stratified and transitional. Again, the compound epithelia is divided into two types: stratified epithelium and transitional epithelium. So first one is stratified epithelium. It has many layers of epithelial cells in which the deepest layer is made up of columnar or cuboidal cells. The deepest one is the columnar or cuboidal cells. This epithelium is classified on the basis of the shape of the cells. Again, this stratified epithelium is divided into four parts. Okay, children, the stratified epithelium is divided into four parts. First one is stratified squamous epithelium. Stratified squamous epithelium. This was again divided into mitosis to form new cells. These are of two types. Okay, stratified squamous epithelium is of two types: keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, so first one is stratified epithelium. Second one is stratified cuboidal epithelium. Third one is stratified columnar epithelium. Fourth one is stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. So here four different types are there. First one is divided into two types. Keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. So this here are four types. Once again, see here stratified. It is starting with stratified. In that simple squamous epithelium is different from stratified squamous epithelium. In compound, it will start with a stratified. Okay, remember like this. Now the fourth one, sorry, in compound the second one is transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium. It is often consists of 10 or more layers thick. So it is the transitional epithelium is more than 10 layers. It lacks germinative layer. It lacks germinative layer basement membrane. Stratified transitional epithelium is typically found in the body areas such as the walls of urinary bladder, ureter, and the renal pelvis. It is located in the all the hollow, vice versa, subjected to stress and protects organs walls from tearing. బయట ఆర్గన్స్ వాల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, అంటే వాటి అవుటర్ లేయర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అది చిరిగిపోకుండా అంటే పాడవకుండా ఉండడానికి ఈ ట్రాన్సిషనల్ ఎపిథీలియం హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, so here is the function. So all of you go through this again. Once again I am repeating, compound epithelium is divided into two types: stratified epithelium and transitional epithelium. Stratified is divided into four different types. Okay, stratified squamous is again divided into two types. Okay children, all of you write the short form of this, then you will be understanding better. Okay, this is about the compound epithelial tissue. Synopsis 6 about glands. Now let us revise what are glands. Some of the columnar and cuboidal cells get specialized for secretion and are called as granular epithelium. The definition of granular epithelium means you have to write this. Okay, in our body we are having some glands. Okay, for example, a small example is thyroid. Thyroid is a gland. Okay, so these glands will be helpful in the hormone development in our body. Okay, so what is the definition children? Some of the columnar or cuboidal cells get specialized for secretion and are called as granular epithelium. Okay children, based on this the glands are classified in different ways. The glands are classified in different ways. So first one is based on cell number. Cell number, based on cell number. Based on cell number, glands are of two types: unicellular and multicellular. So first one is unicellular. They consist of isolated granular cells. Example, goblet cells. Multicellular glands, they consist of cluster of cells. Example, salivary glands. Okay, this is based on cell number. Next one is based on mode of pouring of secretion. Here also it is of two types: exocrine gland and endocrine. Okay, first one, the glands which pour the secretion on the epithelial surface directly or through ducts are called as exocrine. These are present in the salivary glands, gastric glands, intestinal glands, tear glands, sweat glands, oil glands, mammary glands, etc. Endocrine glands. These are ductless glands. These secretions are called as hormones, which are poured directly into the blood and lymph. The blood and lymph carry hormones to the target organs. Example: thyroid, parathyroid, hypothalamus, pituitary, adrenal, thymus, and gonads, etc. And in this, the other gland also present. అంటే యాక్చువల్గా ఫస్ట్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ మోడ్ ఆఫ్ పోరింగ్ ఆఫ్ సెక్రెషన్లో 2 టైప్సే ఉంటాయి. ఐదర్ ఎక్సోక్రైన్ అన్నా ఉంటుంది, లేదంటే ఎండోక్రైన్ అయినా 2 టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి. అయితే ఈ 2 కలిపి కూడా కొంతమందిలో ఉంటాయన్నమాట. దాన్నే హెటిరోక్రైన్ గ్లాండ్ అంటారు. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, దీన్ని ఏమంటారు? హెటిరోక్రైన్ గ్లాండ్ అంటారు. They have both exocrine part and endocrine part. The former sends its secretions by way of duct and later releases its secretion during into the blood and lymph. Pancreas and gonads are heterocrine glands. So third one is based on mode of secretion. Based on mode of secretion, again it is divided into 3 types: merocrine glands, apocrine glands, and holocrine glands. So children, all of you read thoroughly the material. Okay, then you will be understanding the topic. And in page number 54, you are having the functions of epithelial tissues. Here 12 functions are given. What are their? Protection, selective barriers, absorption, conduction, excretion, sensation, regeneration, exchange of gases, pigmentation, secretion, reproduction, exoskeleton. So read these points. It is very important. Children, I am giving you the practice sheets. All of you must practice and read the material. Then only you will perform better in the exams. In the next class, let us revise the second lesson, structural organization in flowering plants. Thank you.